Hi guys, in front of me is HTC U24 Pro, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account to this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select Google, and now mark sign in. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, as otherwise you will not be able to do it. And now you have to provide either your email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it's email address. And now select next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only your password is entered, select next. And now mark if you will be using this device or your keyrow, then select next. Here you can go through Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. Just mark particular link to read it. Select I agree. You actually have to agree with all the stuff noted there. And now you can either activate backup or no, however you like. Just manage your account here smoothly. So this is it. And then whenever you wish to remove your account, just go to passwords and accounts, choose the account that you want to remove and mark remove, then just confirm it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.